24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Discuss with the children what a healthy food is and which food items are not good for health if taken more than necessary. Encourage them to talk about toffees, chocolates, and cold drinks and their harms if taken in large amounts. Now show the picture of a rabbit and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a rabbit. It is brown or any color. Its name is rabbit and it is an animal. Ask the children if they know where it lives. Tell them that a rabbit lives in a burrow, that means underground hole. People keep them as pet. Now, show to the class a picture of a rose and frame the questions like you have asked about the rabbit. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter R and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter R, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the small letter R with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning.
Write the letter R on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter R and it says R. Say the sound of the letter R. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. R, R, rabbit. R, R, rabbit. R, R, rabbit. R, rabbit. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter R activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter R on the first middle lines and give instructions. Start at the middle, second line, and draw a straight line touching the red baseline, third line. Then go up and around to the right. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter R with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter R in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize R. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter R can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.